All right, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Hero 7 Black with the iPhone XR. Now this is at 4K, and because the GoPro does not have a non-wide view, this is all gonna be in the wide view 4K 24 frames per second. So we're gonna be testing a bunch of different things, because when it comes to vlogging, I want something compact. I don't always want to have my giant Sony a7 III. So again, this is the GoPro Hero Black 7 against the iPhone XR. All right, what's it like to chase around? What's it like to chase around a little girl with an iPhone XR versus a GoPro Hero 7 Black?
Booyah! Woo!
Hey, Ted.
Dad, can you put us on YouTube?
How are you?
Wow!
Woohoo! Do 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 do. Which one do you like? I know the wide angle is a little fisheye, and I could correct that, but I really like the Sony or the iPhone because it just tends to work all the time. It's beautiful. Let's look at some up close and personal macro photography.
No, let's jump up in here, Michael.
Look at the beautiful things. The sticks, the lilacs. How's it look, huh? So what would you rather do? Grab a GoPro Hero 7 Black or an iPhone XR if you're just walking around and trying to vlog really quick and easy. Part of me thinks that I think the iPhone looks nicer. But now that I'm walking around and vlogging a little bit here, let's talk about how it looks. Is this way more smooth on the Hero 7? I think it might be. Or is the iPhone XR better? Which one's smoother if you're vlogging? Which one's smoother as you're vlogging? You know, the hyper smooth stabilization on the GoPro Hero 7 Black is supposed to be just phenomenal. But the problem is, I don't think it looks as good. We'll find out. Beautiful flowers. Anyways, I don't want to bore you. Just wondering which one I'd rather carry around for vlogging. Don't know. We'll check it out. Here's when I'm walking across the field, just trying to... All right, show us some tricks.